All right, Dave, let's take a look at some of these after-hours movers here. We have Tesla, IBM, Las Vegas Sands, and Lam Research. Let's kick it off with Tesla. The stock here after hours, you can see still under pressure, off just around 3.5%. Mixed results here from the company. Revenue coming in just a bit light at $21.45 billion. EPS, though, better than expected, $1.05. The company reaffirming their delivery target, saying that they still see 50% average annual growth in deliveries. They also mentioned that they expect the initial phase of semi-deliveries to begin in December, just 2 months from now. Logistics volatility, supply chain bottlenecks remaining immediate challenges here for the company. Over the past 3 months, the stock still in the red, off just around 9.5%. Year to date, you can see that bigger move here to the downside, off just around 36%. All right, let's pull up IBM here. The stock actually popping after hours. Strong results here from the company. You can see a gain of just around 5.5%. Revenue coming in $14.1 billion. The street was expecting $13.5 billion. EPS of $1.81. Red Hat revenue up 12% here. The company also returning $1.5 billion to shareholders. They also lifted their full year revenue guidance on a 3-month basis, down 6%. So when you compare it to the broader market, IBM has actually been faring pretty well. On a year-to-date basis, you're looking at just an 8% drop. All right, let's move on to Las Vegas Sands. You can see the stock not moving a lot here after hours, actually exactly flat, but we did get some results here from the company. Revenue just better than expected at $1.01 billion. They did, though, report a wider than expected loss. The company saying that travel restrictions, reduced visitation, obviously impacting financial results still. CEO Rob Goldstein, though, was pretty optimistic. He said, quote, that he is confident in the recovery of travel and tourism spending. Year-to-date stock off just around 5%. Over the past 3 months, though, we have seen a bit of a recovery, if you can call it that, with the stock just holding on to gains, up just around 0.2%. Let's round it out with Lam Research. That's a chip maker here, reporting $5.07 billion in revenue. That was better than what the street was looking for. Also a beat here on adjusted EPS of $10.42. CEO Tim Archer saying that solid execution, also easing supply chain constraints, is helping the company produce strong overall performance. Over the past 3 months, off just around 26%. We know that Lam Research is far from the only semiconductor that has been under pressure over the last several months. Year to date, you're still looking at the stock off just around 54%.